up, everyone? Just gonna show you a little Weebly setup tutorial. Hopefully it's helpful, hopefully it benefits you. I'm gonna kind of follow these broad steps. They need updating each year, but we'll do what we can with what we have. Go to Weebly.com and I'm gonna go to create your website. Follow all the steps here. Let's put in my information real quick. Agree to terms, of course. Hit continue. And this is where I want to save you money. Alright, let's see. I'm just going to go with the personal website. I'm going to go with a theme. Let's go. I'm hungry right now, so let's go with the burgers. I can always change it. Scrolling down, looking at it. Go to start editing. So it says register new domain, connect a domain you already own, use a subdomain. We're going to go with this one because it is free. You can title your website whatever you want. I'm going to go with Theological Thoughts. But if you choose these two, it's going to try and make you pay, but just choose this one down here. Type in, be creative, keep it school appropriate. That's not available because someone already has that name. Okay, I added a number and it is available. Alright, so I'm going to hit continue. Make sure you look at that. If it says red, it's not good. If it's green, domain is available. You're ready to continue. Alright. Here. Oops. An element. I'm going to skip this for now. Skip. Skip. I'm going to go ahead and publish, and then I can go back and edit these things anytime. I'm going to go up here to publish. It's publishing my site. Here's the link to my website right here. Open a new tab. Here is my website. Okay, with a little bit more of a focus on the blog post, I'm going to go up here. Once I have my website set up, I'm going to go to Pages. I'm going to go to Blog Page. I call it Theological Post Week 1. I'm going to hit Done. I'm going to go here to the Theological Post, which is just what I call the page name. You can call it your book, or you can call it Writing Marathon, whatever's applicable. And then I'm going to hit down here in the bottom right corner, as I'm under the blog page name, I'm just going to hit New Post. And then I can just bring the title. Oops. Looks like I already have a title spot for my blog post. You can put the date of your post as well. That would probably help me. And then if you want to add text to your blog, which I'm guessing you will, just drag that text box over here, then you can start typing up a storm. If you want to add images that are fitting to your chapter or to your writing marathon post, you can add buttons, maps, and then just make sure to hit post right here in the top right corner when you're done. And then you are right on your way to your blog. And then after you post it each week, or whatever I require of you, in the bottom right corner you'll just hit new post, and then just put the date and what week it is, or just the date, and we'll be on our way. All right.